Yeah! Start gate 10. Yes! No. No. Not me. Sorry, that was just my dad. Putting altitude like 4,000 feet. Since I'm going to Gatwick. Activate controls. They're activated. Pushback is started. ATC is not online a lot, so I apologize for that. So I'm taking off from the Punta, Cana, Dominican Republic. There's a lot of people at this airport right now. How would someone do that and like put the Dominican Republic here? So I start engine 2. See, it is a DC-10 or MD-11. I'll be taking off from runway 9. Condor Airlines. Boeing 757-200. Test rudders. Test reverse thrust. Flaps at 1. Taxi lights on. I'm gonna put the throttle at 26, because that's taxi speed. So I'll be going about 30 knots, maybe. So we're following FedEx flight 2377. I don't know where they're going. Oh, his strobes are on. You're probably next in line. Yes? Bye, Dad. But I wish you an early goodbye then. I wish you an early goodbye. Yeah, sorry. Cause I actually, oh no, I actually did your hard cooked. My wife's giving me lots of notifications right now on Telegram. I think the max is 30 knots. We'll be taking off runway 9. Strobes are on. Got line up. Why does everyone have to collide into each other? Because everyone's colliding into each other in this game. It really pisses me off. Runway 9. This is runway 9. Yeah. The other one's runway 8. Clear. I guess that's clear for takeoff. PW 2000. That's a pretty cool sound. Never been on a 757 or 767, but I've been on a 777. Never been on 777 with PW 4000, but I went on one like May 12th. So we're hang 30 because we're going to Gatwick. We're going from Punta, Cana, Dominican Republic. So flaps are up, and because we have strobes on, we're going to go 300 knots, because since that's going to be a short flight, because they put the Gatwick so close that they don't put the tanks in the planes anymore. Because I didn't know you just stopped putting tanks not in the game, which is actually strange. So an autopilot's engaged already. So we'll be cruising soon. We're cruising now. turn on spoilers a bit if we're gonna go down, because we gotta get to we gotta get to the altitude. I think we should go down now. I should reduce to 200. The speed should go to 200 now. But I mean, we should go at 220. And the altitude should be at now 300 feet. Because since we have to start a descent already. But I can change the views, but I can put it on, if I put it on like camera 3, it shows like the first engine. Oh my god, the gusts are crazy. Camera 3 shows engine 1, camera 4, engine 2, camera 5, back of first wing 6. Then we should go camera 1. This is Condor flight 3386. With the PW 2000 engines. Turn on spoilers again. Should make the plane go a little, like, reduce speed a little more. Now it's sunrise. Now it's getting lighter out. Shoot. Why is the camera just having issues right now? It's like, I'm literally just missing a lot of background. Maybe I should put flaps at almost 7. I'm gonna put them at half now. Because it's gonna make the plane go up a little more. Keeps at normal altitude. Should land soon. Altitude's reached. Just you have to be an autopilot still. That's a German airline. I think this goes to Frankfurt. Should be. Because Condor flies out, I think, Germany. So I think that's the flag. Should be. There's like no... Like, everything's faded. We should probably descend like 100 feet more. Turn on landing lights soon. Because when we reach like near Menorca or something, when that reaches probably in the middle or something, maybe that's the signal. Turn on landing lights. It means we're a little closer. Now we turn on landing lights. No. Turn flaps full. Now, spoilers on. Oh, descent. Descent 100 feet again. Hang 25 now. Now we should probably put gear down. Gear down. Hang 20. Approach in like less than 5 miles. We should disengage autopilot soon. I think we should reduce to 215. Speed 210. Now we should put 200. Now I'm stuck. I take control. Spoilers up. Makes a little descent. Arrival runway 26. Maybe 9. Take a right turn. This is London, Gatwick. We're approaching now. We're gonna do a crosswind, I think, because this is not gonna make it. We should be clear soon, because ETC is probably offline. Oh, come on, 100. Okay, we're gonna have to lift the nose up a bit. This runway is good for us. That's 18. It's a bouncy landing. Look, I made it. Well, that sucked. Well, man, lucky at me, that runway was just long enough. I'm gonna have to. I didn't have to turn around then. Because if I turned around, that would have been a bad idea. Because the runway had like, more arrows in it. And why are my strobes still on? My landing lights. Could I? Oh, well, that sucks. Turn around, but false alarm. be here at the Gatwick. I'm like the only, only person at Gatwick right now. It's like a dead airport. I'm parked here because I know this is probably a familiar plane. Deactivate controls. I'm gonna turn off engine 2. Usually turn off engine 1 at a time. Go camera 3.